Hey, how you doing? We're back in Athens today. We are going to try to get the Windy 9 routes finally finished up. I am getting ready to do the Pomeroy Dash. It's going to be a short route of approximately 60 miles, give or take. We are here in the park. Yeah, what's the name of this park? I forgot. Let me look at the map. Athens State Park, believe it or not. There's not much here. It's really kind of a downtown city. We're going to go out here, hit the 4-lane for a minute, and I'll be back when there's something cool to show you. But the town of Pomeroy, if you've never seen, it's a pretty cool town. It's right on the Ohio River. All right, let's get to it. We are on Pomeroy Road right now. Just got started. Oh, there goes another deer down there. Oh, he's at the feeder even. Yeah, this road is also known as 33A. So I am assuming this is Route 33 before they built the big 4-lane. But that's just an assumption on my part. And hello, Mr. Sun. Pratt's Fork. Now you know where we are. Well, unfortunately, this route has us getting back on US 33 for a little bit here. But it looks like we're going to make a right-hand turn on Ohio 833. I know the trees block the view, but there's a barge right there on the Ohio River. And here we come into Pomeroy in just a couple of minutes. In the ever-lovely Ohio River. And we're fogging the bike up. Check that out, huh? Is this not a beautiful town or what? Ewing, 1927. Oh, it's a mortuary. Wow. One of the prettier parts of 143 North here as part of this Pomeroy Dash. Especially in the fall. I don't think I've ever been on this road in the fall before. Gotta love Southern Ohio sometimes. Still on State Farm Road here. This is downright beautiful. I think I'm just slightly past peak color right now here on October 23rd, I believe it is. in the wonderful year of 2024. Oh wow, tracks. Where's my train? Come on, man. I want a train. I never get a train when I want one. Well, we are turning on County Road 19 here. I don't think I've ever done this before to get back to Athens. This should be interesting. Gonna go up here and hit Ohio 56. Alright, I think it's at this point in the video I'm gonna say thanks for watching. If you would, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't, please smash that subscribe button and bell down below. We get back on 56 here, and then it's just shooting straight back into Athens to my starting point there at the state park. There's nothing of any kind of entertainment value in that little stretch of road. I will sign off here and see you in the next video. Thanks again, I really appreciate it.